Sharks Cove is one of the most popular snorkeling places in Hawaii. It is located on Oahu's north shore in the Pūpūkea's Marine Life Conservation District, in between the famed big wave surf spots of Waimea Bay and the Bonsai Pipeline. These rocky tidal pools are famous for snorkeling and scuba diving. Despite its name, there are no sharks to be found here. Instead, the cove boasts an impressive variety of marine life, including schools of fish, octopuses, sea turtles, sea urchins, and thriving coral. The bottom is made up of large smooth boulders and coral heads, forming small caves and ledges for marine life to hide. The walls of the surrounding cliffs provide calmer water attracting schools of fish. Sharks Cove is not a sand beach, therefore the entrance can be a little rocky, so watch your step as you get in. Maybe you'll want to bring some protecting footwear along with your snorkeling gear.